tonight. Whispers in the dark, no wrong or right, knocking from below.